Kylie, Bertucci, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I'm here with a very quick tutorial to show you how to put together your Peony flower. So this is a brand new, beautiful bundle, sweet in fact, from Stampin' Up, and this flower is absolutely stunning, but I pulled it out of my packaging and went, oh, what? What am I meant to do with this? So I'm hoping that this really brief tutorial helps you to put together your beautiful flower, because I know that this is going to be a very, very popular sweet. So let's jump on in and have a look. Look at this beautiful flower. Isn't it amazing? So I have used Blushing Bride, and then I've got Granny Apple Green for the leaves with a layer of the Old Olive and that beautiful basic black stamen. Hopefully it's called a stamen. Someone will tell me if it's not. But let's have a look and see how we put this together, because I was like, how do I do this? So bring in our dies. What we're going to need to put together our flower, because there is a lot of dies in this set. So we need our biggest piece, then we go to our next size, and then we have these two other pieces here. So there's actually 4 in total. So there's our 4. I haven't stuck this flower together, by the way, so if it falls apart, you'll know why, because I want to deconstruct it and show you exactly what I've done. So they're the 4 dies there, and we're going to need those. Then we've got our leaves. So we've got 3 leaves, 1, 2, 3. And we have our outside pieces as well. So that's just for like depth of colour. You could totally just do sponging instead, up to you. So there are our 3 outside pieces. So this is all you're going to be left with. Did I put my little stamen on there? There it is. Oh, then we need the insert. There it is. So this is all we're going to need. All of that. So these will be left over. So just so you can see with your dies, that's the leftover pieces. Everything else you will need. So put that all out. Then what you're going to do is cut your flower into the colour that you want, and you only need 1 of each, which is really cool. I was thinking, do I need more of one of them, and do I how would I? So you need to 1 of each. And then what I've done is just sponged the edge and also the little cut piece, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So let's pull it apart, and I will show you these 4 pieces. Ready? I know, this is unbelievable. I could not get over, once I worked it out, I could not get over how simple it was. Is there a piece of hair somewhere? Oh no, it's just something on the screen somewhere. Anyway. I'm like, where is that? So what we can do, 4 pieces, and this is the cool thing about this, is I've sponged the inside with the Blushing Bride back on top, and all you do is just insert it from the smallest to the largest, and that is as simple as it gets. Ready? Insert, and just be careful that it doesn't sort of clip onto itself. And the cool thing is at the back, it joins up. So you know you're in the right spot. So what you can actually do from here is straight away put some Tombow glue there and go bloop, and stick that down. Then do your next layer. Put that in. And again, you can see it lines up at the back. So you just want to stick that next layer down with some Tombow, or even a glue dot if you wanted to do a glue dot. There we go. And then the last one, we do the exact same thing. Just pop it in there. In you go, little one. And line it up. Again, just stick that down. And voila! You have a peep. I was going to say peony. You have a peony flower. And so then you just add your little stamen in there. And oh my goodness. Now what I've done is just teased these edges a little bit and just pulled them down to create texture, and then, as I said, did the sponging, and that, my friends, is a wrap. Can you believe it? That's so cool. And so then you can just do with the leaves, you can just add the little pieces on there. Put some Tombow glue, and you'll work out which one belongs where by just trial and error. A bit like doing a puzzle. And if it doesn't fit, you're like, why is it not fitting? You might have your leaf around the wrong way and you're trying to do this. Why is that not working? That's how I sound. Stampin' Up have done a mistake. No, they haven't. It's you. It's me. So there we have it. So you just would stick that down onto those and have this beautiful, beautiful flower that I cannot wait to make a card out of. So something like that, I can imagine it being. Amazing, isn't it? So if you live in Australia and you absolutely have to get this beautiful flower and the dies and the stamp set and get the whole suite, in fact, just remember that right now you can join for $169. And you know what the cool thing is this suite is $170.25. You'll actually get a reduction in price if you join. You'll get about 75 cents. You'll pay less and you'll get this suite. But on top of that, you can choose a free bundle. You'll get free postage, which is usually about $11 in Australia, and an extra $66 worth of anything you want. So if you want this suite, please talk to us about joining. I've put the links below in the comments, so you just have to click on the title. You'll see all the information there and links. I've done a video to help you, or just contact us. I've put the contact me information, so if you wanted more info, definitely contact us and we will help you. We will assist you to get the best deal, and I'm telling you, this is just for June 2020 that you get this deal, and it is an awesome deal. So please talk to us. We'd love to help you. And thank you so much for being here. Please share if you think this is going to help someone. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Happy crafting.